In this really short video, we're going to take a look at resetting the service indicator on a Volkswagen e-Golf. This should work for most of their models. Simply what you do is you turn off the ignition, then you press the 0.0 button and hold it. Then you'll get a prompt. Once you get the reset inspection interval, release the button and then press it again to verify that you want to reset it, and then you're done. That went by really quick, so let's review. You turn off the ignition, you press and hold the 0.0 button, you turn on the ignition, you release the 0.0 button, then you confirm the prompt to reset by simply pressing that button one more time. And as you see, we no longer get the prompt. We check our vehicle status and it also does not have a prompt. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.